Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kermen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesarkar Jala bakami yak Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba sanbor sulai hakas pautrik naitung aja pun rio ulakan tu yak nat sipai Border Security Force pakan pen klan ba ban pet ngor yak kaput pat batharu ban thau dak Special Task Force habaro ki district kenang menyadai ke Jingshalan bean yaki Masi syakari Bangladesh ling ba ka kaput uba sanbor ulapan pau yak ni hadin gaji kendu yo Inspector General Jangkatan Sipai BSF Meghalaya Frontier ringkat gaji dan lang ki ofisa nakatan Veterinary hakaji kan bigila patai kubur wasan bor sulai ulai thu bala kentu yak tanat Sipai BSF ban Ïatreilang bagi bor pulen ringkat bagi border magistrate ban bu ik kerdop talasi hakicaka bampat dan gajingkia sainarsya hakaput.
Few days ago there are news we have seen in the social media accusing the rampant illegal trading of cattle. So immediately I have written to the IGBSF, Mr. Upadhyaya G, and subsequently today we had a meeting with the IG of BSF, his team and the veterinary department, and we had a very good discussion. And here we are having 5 points that we have discussed. And we are also having a notification also. We have discussed, published the notification. Draft of the notification is here according to the rules of the veterinary, and that also we have discussed, and we have requested the authority of the BSF to intensify the checking in collaboration with the police department and the border magistrate, and based on the suggestion of department and the BSF, we are to speed up the border fencing, because based on the record in the border within Khanglad Hills, there is 27 kilometers left. 27 kilometer left to complete the full-fledged fencing in the border of Khanglad Hills, and there is about 7 kilometers plus approximate in Garo Hills area left. So the authority of the BSF are requested to issue us the details, information, then the details of the area which are left to be fully complete the fencing. And we have also discussed for setting up of a checkpoint in vulnerable area where cattle smuggling going on jointly with the police and the veterinary department with the authority of the BSF. And we have also discussed, and I have requested the officer of the veterinary department to immediately set up the special task force. Based on a special task force should be constituted in all districts for transportation to detect the transportation of seized cattle. And these seized cattle should be brought to the departmental animal shelter. So the point that we have also discussed with the BSF, they have given us 13 days time to give all their suggestions regarding the remaining part of the fencing to be fenced, completely to be fenced. And as per our SOP is also there. Here we have like this notification as per the SOP. We have the point number one, if a special task force should be constituted in all districts for transportation of seized cattle to the animal shelter. Members of the task force will include the block development officer BDO of the concerned CNRD block as the chairman, along with the officer in charge of police and the jurisdictional veterinary officer as member. Other members of the task force will include the district AH and veterinary officer and subdivisional AH and veterinary officer as members. In every district should be there. There is no doubt. Based on the report, so many died. Sometimes frequently the BSF, authority of BSF, they send their boys, their Jawan to go to the jungle to cut the grass or to feed them, because from the department and the border magistrate, they cannot do all this thing to take care of the seized animals. So that's why, based on the report given to me, so there is a local arrangement with the local society to take care of their health and with their food. Within 13 days, after receiving the details report, detailed suggestion from the authority of the BSF, and also the amendment, we required few amendments to be done as per this notification issued by the Department of AH and Veterinary. So there are few amendments to be done. So we have given 13 days time for the veterinary department to furnish us the corrected draft of this SOP, this notification, and also the details report from the BSF. So after 30 days, we'll be having again a joint meeting with the BSF, the police, and the veterinary department. That's. Yeah, actually, the report given by the BSF, the animals, the cattle seized by the police and the veterinary, it is decreasing day by day based on the report. Actually, from the government side, from the department, they are yet to set up the animal shelter. And there are shelters who are being run by the society, because the BSF, they find it after seizing the smuggling cattle, so they cannot take care of them. They have to provide them food, they have to check their health condition and everything. So the BSF, they don't have that facility to do. So normally from the district border magistrate with the Department of Veterinary, so they have handing over this seized cattle to the local societies to take care of the seized animals.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.